Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're heading outside to the grill. We'll be charring up some hot dog skewers with a homemade habanero barbecue sauce. This one is sure to leave your taste buds in shock. Let's go. We'll kick things off with a homemade habanero barbecue sauce. Start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon fresh cracked black pepper, and the star of the show, 1 ounce of our El Yucateco Marisquera black. Give it a quick stir, then just simmer it over low heat for about 5 minutes and set it aside. For the skewers, we recommend a good quality all beef hot dog and all your favorite veggies. Simply cut the hot dogs into bite-sized portions and get everything onto skewers just the way you like. Now just get these onto your grill at medium heat, flip and sauce every couple minutes until they're done to your liking. Then just serve them up to all your hungry guests and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget till next time to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. We'll see you on the next one.